You work so hard to earn a paycheck, but somehow, it never feels like enough, right? Every month feels like a cliffhanger, like am I gonna make it to payday? And honestly, nobody warned us how confusing money would feel as adults. You're hustling harder than ever, but everything just keeps getting pricier. Rent? Ridiculous. Childcare? Don't even get me started. And those student loans still lurking like the villain in a horror movie. What if the struggle isn't because you're bad with money, but because you inherited a scarcity story that was never yours? And if nothing changes, your dreams start to shrink with your options. You deserve a life where money feels empowering, not terrifying. Women don't just break glass ceilings, we break money myths too. I'm Bella, and welcome to Money Talk channel Real Talk, Smart Money, with Bella. Before we jump in, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you're ready for more financial glow-ups, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a money breakthrough again. Here's what's coming. Today, you'll learn the 7 mindset shifts women need to finally exit survival mode and step into abundance for good. Let's rewrite your money story together. We didn't choose a scarcity mindset, it was handed to us. Our parents, school, even media shaped how we think about money. We were taught to save every penny and avoid risks. But now, we get to rewrite those old stories. For so many women, money conversations feel stressful and scary. The pressure and fear keep us stuck in just surviving mode. But confidence-based planning builds real freedom, not fear. We deserve to make decisions from power, not panic. Imagine walking into a store and buying what you love without guilt. Imagine money supporting your joy, not limiting it. Your beliefs shape the life you allow yourself to have. Like Oprah says, your beliefs become your reality. You are not just surviving, you're running the show. You make decisions, you build your future, and you lead your own life. You are the CEO of your money, your goals, and your dreams. You deserve to feel powerful in every financial move you make. Money power isn't just about how much you make, it's about what you know and what you protect. You set boundaries with your time, your worth, and your wallet. You choose what stays in your life and what drains you. That's real financial power. Stop waiting for someone else to bring safety into your life. You are not incomplete, you are fully capable of creating security on your own. Pay yourself first, invest in your future, and choose independence without apology. A woman who knows her value doesn't need permission to win. You can't change what you refuse to look at. When you finally face your money, that's where freedom starts. It's not about being perfect, it's about knowing what's really going on. Awareness is the first step to financial confidence. Most of us lose money without even realizing it. Random snacks, impulse buys, subscriptions we forgot about. That's $200,300 a month disappearing. When we ignore the numbers, we give away our power. But when we own them, we level up. Imagine paying bills without anxiety hitting your chest. Imagine checking your account without fear. Clarity replaces guilt with power, and that power lets you breathe again. Saving money isn't about depriving yourself, it's about giving yourself peace of mind. Think of your emergency fund as that friend who always has your back when life hits hard. You deserve to feel safe, supported, and ready for whatever comes your way. Let your savings be your emotional safety net. Let's start simple. A $500 to $1,000 mini safety cushion. It's not about perfection, just progress. This small buffer keeps you from falling into survival debt every time life throws a surprise. A little protection cash goes a long way for your future peace. Imagine this: your car breaks down and instead of panicking, you just breathe, because you've got it covered. That is the power of preparation. Your future self will be so grateful you started today. Do something now that she'll look back on and say, "Thank you." We deserve more than scraps. Our money deserves to grow. Investing isn't only for Wall Street dudes, it's for every woman who's tired of waiting for permission. One step, $1, 1 month at a time. We build our wealth. Slow growth still moves mountains. Imagine putting just $200 a month toward your future that could grow into over $300,000. But if we leave all our money in savings, inflation slowly steals it. We're either growing wealth or losing it without noticing. Your money should be out there working, not stuck sitting still. Every dollar is a little worker ready to fight for your freedom. Let compound interest do its magic while you live your life. That's how we break the cycle, wealth growing even when we sleep. Women thrive when we uplift each other. Success gets louder when we celebrate together. You don't have to hustle alone or pretend you're fine. The right community turns struggle into progress. Women with mentors and professional support earn more over their careers because shared wisdom opens doors we didn't even know existed. Lone wolf energy, it's exhausting. We rise faster when we rise together. Surround yourself with friends who talk goals, opportunities, and growth, not just drama. When your circle lifts you higher, your confidence becomes unstoppable, and wealth starts to feel like your new normal. Your money should bring you joy, not guilt. When you spend based on what you truly value, life feels richer instantly. It's not about cutting everything, it's about choosing what matters. Let your wallet support the woman you're becoming. Start with your needs, honor your priorities, take care of future you, and yes, make room for fun. Comparison culture tries to steal your joy, but you deserve to design your own goals. Your journey isn't a race with anyone else. Protect your peace like it's priceless, because it is. Abundance isn't about how much things cost, it's how deeply they make you feel alive. Water the areas of your life that grow your happiness. When you choose joy on purpose, scarcity loses its power. Your money becomes a tool for a fuller, freer life. You've learned how to recognize the money stories holding you back, step confidently into wealth leadership, build clarity and safety with your finances, invest for growth, surround yourself with a strong community, and spend with joy. You weren't born just to survive, you were born to live fully. And money is a tool that gives you the freedom to create a life you love. If this empowered you, hit like and subscribe so you never miss your financial glow up. Share this video with a woman who deserves abundance and comment, what scarcity story are you breaking free from? Let's uplift each other in the comments. Thank you for watching Money Talk Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. Your next chapter is wealthy, and it starts now.